Want to learn English faster and easier? Today I am reviewing an amazing application that promises to improve your English skills. But does it really work? Stay with me till the end to find. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma. Today I am going to review an English learning application called Englishiary. You might have seen my previous videos where I have been using this application for the past few months. It's been almost, I think, 3 to 4 months since I started connecting with English tutors on this platform. And I must say, that I really liked it. One thing that stands out about this application is that tutors are highly qualified and certified. I have used more than 4 to 5 English learning applications, but this one is different. The tutors here are professional, supportive, and very helpful. They don't just correct your mistakes, they guide you in a polite and constructive way, helping you understand how to say things correctly. And you know what? One of the biggest challenge English learners face is hesitation and nervousness. We often worry about making mistakes, but on this platform, tutors correct you in a way that boosts your confidence instead of making you feel nervous. Their constructive feedback really helps improve your speaking skills. Now, let me share my personal experience with this application. After that, I will give you all the details, including how to join, what are the pricing, and what are the features. So if you have been asking me for feedback on this app, make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll be covering everything you need to know. As you already know, being professional is very important, and for me, speaking good English is essential because my professional demands it. Learning English has helped me grow in my career. I still remember the days when I struggled to clear interviews. I failed many times and felt really disappointed. At that time, I used to think, if only I could understand and speak English well, I could get better job. After learning English, my life changed completely. Now I don't even need to leave my house to earn a living. I can work from home. This shows how powerful English can be. See, if you know this additional language, you can open up endless opportunities and change your life. See, when I started learning, I used one-on-one English learning applications to practice with tutors. And honestly, I feel that I'm able to speak fluently today because of them. Earlier, I lacked confidence and made many grammatical mistakes. You already know that. But after practicing with the tutors, especially from Englishiary, I made significant improvement and I improved a lot. For example, I used to say I am having this instead of I have this. So one of my tutors, he corrected me and explained that when talking about present, we should say I have instead of I am having. From that moment, I made a conscious effort to correct myself. This is just one example, but there are many small changes I made and now my English is much better. So if you are struggling with English, keep practicing with the right guidance. You can improve just like I did. One more thing I would like to mention about these English classes is that the teachers are very engaging. Before each session, we are assigned a topic in advance, which allows us to prepare beforehand. So this is the best part. When you are getting a topic, you can just prepare it before you appearing in the class. And it also comes with the multiple vocabulary words, their meanings, and additional sometimes idioms, sometimes reading material is also there. This makes learning so much fun and effective. I found this feature extremely useful because when you have something to read, explore, and prepare, you naturally feel more confident during the session. I always make sure that I have to read the assignment before I appear in the session so that I could, learn little extra. If you are eager to learn English in a short time, one great tip is to prepare the topic in advance and then present it during the session. This method really helps me improving my English skills. And now let me share a personal experience. Like a few days ago, I think yesterday only, I posted that video with Aisha ma'am and I had a great session with her. So when we were discussing a topic, the topic was about miser and spendthrift. So when she was asking me that which category do you fall into, I remember the word frugal from the session notes only, and I confidently answered that I considered myself frugal. She appreciated my response, which boosted my confidence. Honestly, I'm telling you, and if you don't believe it, that you can just watch the video. So just by reading the session notes, this word stuck in my mind and now I can easily use it in conversations. I am sure I will never forget this word in future. If someone discuss this topic with me later, I will definitely use this word again. So this is how we can improve our vocabulary and speaking skills, by actively using new words in real conversation. This is what I love about these interactive sessions. The tutors also ask thought-provoking questions which keeps the session engaging and help us improve naturally. There are many self-learners who start their English journey alone without any guidance from tutors. However, if you want to improve your English quickly, I strongly recommend taking classes. The truth is, we often don't take things seriously until we invest time and money into them. This is a natural mindset. When we enroll in a course or pay for a class, we feel more committed to learning. So if you're serious about improving your English, joining a structured learning platform can be a great decision. Investing in your skills is never a waste, it's an investment in your future. I remember one comment asking me about pricing of English ERE. So here is the details. You can go for the subscription of 16 sessions per month, 25 minutes each. It will cost you approx 4,500, and I personally think that this 16 session plan is a great option because it provides enough practice. If you take each session seriously and come prepared, you will definitely learn something valuable from every class. For more details, you can check out their official website or contact their support team. One other benefit is that you can go for the demo is only rupees 99, and it will give you a better idea about the classes, like what kind of classes it is, whether are you feeling comfortable or not, and obviously you will get a chance to judge the way of teaching. So I must say that before you join, you should try this demo session. It is only rupees 99. And for more details, you can check my description box. I'll mention the link of English ERE app. You can download it from there and go for it, guys. This is my personal experience and I'm learning day by day and I'm fully satisfied. And thank you so much. You guys also appreciate my sessions. Especially recently, I have done few sessions with good few best tutors of this English ERE, and you guys appreciated me a lot for that. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any further query, you can just comment me. I'll happy to answer your all questions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.